0.5. You know decibels? Yeah. I'm 0.5 years old. I'm the 0.5. Yeah, because I'm going to be 6 months, and I'm 0.5. That's 6 months in case you didn't know. I'm 6 months. I'm 4 months. No, I'm 3.5. 3.5 months. I'm really not 0.5 yet. I'm not 0.5. Are you 0.5 yet? Hey. Oh, he lost interest in that. Do it, Heather. Are you 0.5? I'm going to be on infomercials. I'm going to be on the infomercials, advertising things for people that are 0.5. Hey, Rush. Rush. Are you 0.5? Not yet. Rush, are you 0.5? Are you 0.5 yet? I don't think so. Huh? Mother, quiet. Are you 0.5? Are you 0.5? Are you 0.5? He's doing it, and he was drawing, and it went back into his mouth. Heather, you're moving my camera. You're so funny, little boy. Cutie? Hi, cutie. Hi, Heather, cutie. Do it again. Hi. 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 Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Heather, do it. I'm 0.5. I guess you didn't know. That's 6 months. I'm not really 6 months yet either. I don't know what you really are. I think he's done. I want to be a really.